Welcome to Language Training Institute Certificate 4 of TESOL and Diploma of TESOL. This video is going to give you some step-by-step instructions of how to navigate the online system for course materials and support resources. The first resource that you'll be using is your TESOL Made Practical for All Situations textbook that you'll get a link to a PDF copy of this. Now you're just going to open that link up in your email and you can navigate this textbook by simply having a look at the bookmarks and contents bar, and you can skip to any chapter. Let's go to chapter 2 here, and even any section of that chapter by using that easy function bookmark and contents page links. Let's have a look now at the TOS resources that are available for you on the online system. So on the home page, let's have a look at the course and practical placement information. First of all, we have the general information, and the most important ones offered here are the study guide and the practical teaching guide. These are both really important for you to get your head around how to start the course and also how to dive deep into your practical placement. Moving back to the course and practical placement information, let's have a look at the practical placement information folder. Here we have everything that you need for your practical placement. You've got the study guide, free English classes in Australia, so if you're looking for somewhere to complete your teaching practice, click on this link. We also have a sample letter to help you get into a school and introduce yourself and tell them a little bit about what you're doing. And then we have all of the additional readings and resources for your practical placement. We also have lesson plan templates and examples, so you can click on any one of these and it will actually give you a worksheet, a tutorial on how to do the worksheet, how to put together a lesson plan, and yeah, there's just some really great resources in here. And we have our practical placement forms, so you can actually, instead of going into each one of the units and downloading at the bottom of the page where the practical placement forms are, you can just come here and download them all at once. So we have PTT Forms 1 right through to PTT 21 if you're doing the diploma. So those are some great practical placement resources that you can check out. Let's go to the home page. I'm going to have a look in the Certificate 4 of TESOL, and we're going to let's go to Unit 2, use the genre approach to teaching English and teach English grammar. Now, each of the units are set out quite similarly. We have announcements and the unit overview that you can click into and have a look at. It outlines exactly what is needed to be done. And then we go into the training videos and activities. Training videos and activities actually are a great resource for those students who are audio-visual learners. Each video here actually outlines and goes through each section of that chapter of the textbook. So we have register. This video is actually going to go through the textbook content that talks about register and so on. So there's some really great video resources here. If you're looking for any additional readings and resources to help you work through your workbooks, give you some ideas, we've got some great examples here. And finally, we have assessment resources. So this is probably one of the greatest resources that students find most helpful. Each of these videos here, and you'll find this in every one of the units, are workbook task instructions. So we go through task by task and explain how to complete that task and even give you examples of how you may complete it, just to give students an idea of how to complete that task. Instead of us getting hundreds of emails asking questions about specific tasks, students can just go straight to these workbook task videos and find out exactly what they need to do there. And we have our assessment files at the bottom of the page, as well as the practical placement documents towards the end. There is another video that you can watch on how to submit your assessment if you need help with that. Going back to the home page, so there you have it. We have all of our content material and support resources within each course and within each unit of that course. I hope this has been a helpful video for you. I wish you all the best with your course.